YouTube channel. Subject is Constitution. Today we are discussing about the function and meaning of Constitution. First, basic introduction. The basic principle of the state, the structure and process of government, and the fundamental rights of citizen in a higher law are called Constitution. While Constitution is often defined as the supreme law of a country, constitutionalism is system of governance under which the power of government is limited by the rule of law. In order to understand the two concepts as well as their similarity and difference, it is important to understand their history and evolutions. The definition of constitution is quite complex and has significantly evolved during the last 2 centuries. According to the Western conception, constitution is the document that contains the basic fundamental law of nation, setting out of the organization of the government and the principle of the society. The Constitution provides the foundation of the government, structuring the political organization and guaranteeing individual and collective rights and freedoms. Constitution is varies from country to country. There are different sets of fundamental legal political rules are the constitution are binding on everyone in the states, including ordinary law-making institutions. Constitution concerns the structure and operation of the institution of government, political principles, and the rights of citizens. Constitutions are based on widespread public legitimacy. Constitutions are harder to change than ordinary laws, that is, a two-third majority vote or referendum is needed, and the Constitution is a minimum and to meet the internationally recognized criteria for a democracy system in terms of representation and human rights for the country. Second one is function of constitution. There are various functions are shown in slides. First one, it can declare and define boundaries of political communities. These boundaries can be territorial and personal. Thus, a constitution of distinguish between those inside and outside the polity. It can declare and define the nature and authority of the political community. The Constitution often declares the states and fundamental principle and assumption as well as where its jurisdiction. For example, a French constitution declares that France is indivisible, secure, democratic and social republic and the national jurisdiction belongs to the people who exercise it through their representative and by means of polls. Constitution can express the identity and values of national communities. As national building instrument, the Constitution may define the national flag, anthem and other system, and it may take a proclamation about the value, history and identity of nation. Next one, constitution can be declared and it's define rights and duties of citizen. Most constitution include declaration of fundamental rights applicable to citizen. At a minimum, these will include the basic civil liberties that are necessary for an open and democracy society. Many constitutions go beyond these minimum to include social, economical, and cultural rights or the specific collectivity rights of minority communities. And some rights may be applied to both citizen and non-citizen, such as the right to the freedom for fortunately or physical abuse. Next one is the constitution can establish and regulate the political institution of the communities. The constitution defines the various institutions of government, prescribe their composition, powers and functions, regulate the relations between them. Almost all constitutions establish legislative, executive, and judicial branches of government. In addition, such a way that there are may be a symbolic head of state institution to ensure the integrity of political process. The institutional provision typically provided to mechanism for a democracy allocation and peaceful transfer of power and for the restraint and remove of those who abuse power and who have a loss of confidence of the people. For example, impeachment procedures. Next point is constitution can divide or share power between different layers of governments or sub-state communities. Many constitutions establish federal decentralized process for sharing the power between provinces, regions, or other sub-state communities. These may be a geographical defined or they may be defined by cultural or different communities. Next point is the constitution can declare the official religion identity of the state and demarcate relationship between state and secure authorities. This is particularly important in society where religion and national identities are interrelated or where religious law has traditionally determined matter of personal status or the arbitrary of dispute between citizens. Next point is constitution can commit state of particular social, economical or development goals. This may take the form of judicially enforceable social economical rights, directive principles that are political binding on the government or other expression of committees or intent of constitutions. Thank you. જો તમને મારો વિડીયો પસંદ આવ્યો હોય તો લાઈક કરો, શેર કરો અને સબસ્ક્રાઈબ કરો મારી યુટ્યુબ ચેનલને મૃગેશ રાઠોડ.